Guys, today I'm back with another trading strategy, and believe me guys, before giving this strategy to you guys, I have back tested it a lot so that I can make sure that it has a significant win ratio so I can be able to give it to you guys. And this trading strategy has a win ratio of 85%. So guys, if you follow this trading strategy with all the risk management and all the rules that I'm explaining here, you can make $2,000 to $3,000 daily. So guys, before moving forward, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel so you will never miss an update. So guys, let me share the indicators with you guys. So the first indicator will be the moving average, the simple moving average. Two indicators we're going to be using, and the first will be the moving average, the second will be our demarker indicator. So let me tell you guys that about purpose of these two indicators. So the moving average will identify as the short-term trend in the markets. Either it will be the short-term trend or downtrend or uptrend, and demarker will help us identify the precise entry. So now let me tell you more about these indicators. So whenever the price, or first let's set up these indicators basically. So the period for moving averages will be 19, and for the demarker it will be 16 right here. So now let me explain it to you guys about the usage of these two indicators. So whenever the price moves above this red line you're watching on your screens, like in this with these green candles, and this demarker right here where my arrow is starts rising, it means market has entered into a short-term uptrend from the point where market pushed upwards. So now here you can see whenever the price starts going downwards below the moving average and the marker starts moving going downwards, it means that market is right now into the short-term trend. So now let's see here, what do we have? So here you can see I am right now on my broker cotex.net. So if you haven't registered on this broker yet, click the link in the description. Open the link, register yourself, and don't forget to enter my promo code QXB50 for the extra 50% for on whenever you deposit. First deposit, you will receive extra 50%. Here you can see you have all the indicators and you can trade all the markets on this user-friendly broker. And if you also enter my promo code QXB50, you will going to receive 50% extra bonus on your first deposit. So what else a trader needs? Go, link in the description, click the link and sign up. So now let's get back to the trading. So here you can see the price is currently above the EMA and the marker is also rising since the start. So here I am planning to buy the trade with $1,000 on the 5-second time frame. So let's wait. Alright, so here right now I'm in the long trade right now, and here you go. The price is above and we just generated $900 on this single trade. Can you believe it, guys? $900. So now let's analyze this trade. So here what I have done is market just moved above this moving average where what I told you guys, and market moved above the moving average, and you can see here the price going towards upside, and the demarker was also moving towards upside from lower angle, which means that market is now in the uptrend. I took the trade according to my rules, and here you go. $900 profit on this single trade. So here was the analysis of my first trade. So now let's move towards the another trade. So now this time I'm gonna lower down my risk to, because you can always lose in financial markets, so be aware, and risk management should be your first priority. So I'm gonna risk $500 this time. So let's wait for the opportunity. Meanwhile, guys, make sure that your risk management should be your first priority, because in financial markets always can go against you. So here you can see the price is pumping above the moving average, but the market is also rising. So let's wait a bit more to see the market trend. So here I am buying the trade with $500. So here let's see, and here you go. We just generated $445 on this single trade. Can you believe it, guys? According to the strategy and the risk management rules, we have generated $1,345 today with this strategy. So now let's analyze this strategy as well. All right, so here you can see that price was above the market, the line, the price was above this line, as I stated you guys earlier, moving towards upside very fast, and the demarker you saw right here was also rising towards upside. So here at this point I took the trade, and we just banked $445 with this trading strategy. So now let's see the demarker going downwards right here. All right, price is also moving below this EMA line, so here means market is in downtrend. This time I'm gonna risk $300 because I'm lowering my risk. So here I have took the trade with $300. So now let's wait, and here you go, we just banked another. Let's wait for the closure, and come on, come on, come on, it's going downwards. All right, the trade is moving downwards and it's still counting. So now let's wait a bit more, and boom, $267 on the third trade. So the total amount we generated today is $1,612 total with the strategy that I'm explaining to you guys. I'm doing this trade live in front of you guys. Here is my today's profit withdrawal of $1,612. You can say it's completed right here. Also the USDT TRC20 I used, these are the dates, here is the token. So I have successfully withdrawn my amount without any commission or fees from this trading. And here you can see the price that I have withdrawn, $1,612, successfully arrived into my Binance account. You can see it's completed right here. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel. And if you haven't registered your account yet on the codex.net, click the link below in the description, enter my promo code and get your 50%.